Doing picture-in-picture mode for YouTube is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful though, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our social media channel. Now the first thing you'd likely want to do is to load up the video that you want to enable PIP for, which is picture in picture. So let's click on this video right here, and we know your website is the center of your online business. We're gonna skip this ad and we're gonna pause this. Now it's important that you use the Chrome browser for this because this feature is mostly available on just the Chrome. Now you realize once I load up the video and I right click, not left click, I right click on the video, it's gonna open up a pop-up that's gonna look like this. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna right click again. So it's gonna be twice. First right click, second right click. Now once you do the second right click, you're gonna see picture in picture at the bottom and you're gonna click on it. And just like that, you should have picture in picture here at your bottom, and when you play it, it should be displayed at the bottom here. You open a new tab, it should also be there. Now let's pause this. Now that's how to do picture in picture on YouTube. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.